Welcome to Definitions, Part 2. In this video we will continue to define common terms from the automotive hobby, using examples from our extensive library of visual content. These terms have been used on car lots, in auto parts stores, garages, racetracks, car shows, cruise-ins, and anywhere motor vehicles are found. Photos used are from Saturday night cruise-ins hosted by the Hamblen County Car Club in Morristown, Tennessee. Most of these photographs were taken by our club photographer Chantal Combs. Let's get started. A moon, or moon disc, is a plain flat chrome or aluminum disc hubcap, originally adopted by land speed racers. A baby moon is a smaller example that only covers the lug nuts in the center of the rim, leaving the rest of the rim exposed. They are named for Dean Moon. A dog dish is a type of baby moon hubcap that resembles a dog dish. A chrome reverse wheel is a steel wheel that has been chromed. Here, we find baby moons over a chrome reverse wheel. A steely is a solid, stamped steel wheel. Dechromed refers to removing all factory chrome and badging and filling any mounting holes. The term flamed refers to graphic representation of flames, usually starting at the front and working towards the back. Flames, or custom paint on the exterior of a car, are also called hot licks. Ghost flames are flames that are usually the same color as the body, only a few shades lighter or darker. Appletons, or Appleton spotlights, are fender-mounted spotlights, named for the manufacturer. Spot is short for a spotlight, but can also refer to disc brakes. Curb feelers, or curb finders, are springs or wires installed on a vehicle which act as whiskers to alert drivers when they are at the right distance from the curb while parking. Dog leg is a multi-purpose term. It is the corner of a wraparound windshield on a 1950s car. It is also used to describe, among other things, the rear door jamb on the back door of a sedan, a sharp turn on a racecourse, or a manual transmission where first to second gear is an up and over movement of the shifter. Hideaway headlamps are hidden headlamps, also commonly known as pop-up headlamps, or flip-eye headlamps. They are a form of automotive lighting and an automotive styling feature that conceals an automobile's headlamps when they are not in use. Moon eyes are products, such as moon tanks, moon discs, and valve covers, produced by the Moon Equipment Company, which was started in the 1950s. A puke can is a radiator overflow tank used to catch coolant. Rake, or stance, refers to the slant of a car with large tires in the back and small tires in the front. The back of the car is lifted to accommodate large back tires, while the front end is lowered with narrower, and sometimes smaller, tires. A rumble seat is an open, fold-up rear seat located where the trunk would be. Waterfalls refer to chrome strips on Pontiac hoods that resemble waterfalls. There you have it. Another 5 to 6 minutes of terms from accessories, lights, body, paint, wheels, and engine categories. How many did you know? We'll see you again in Definitions, Part 3.